Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 起 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 起 means to get up. To start. For example, 起来 to stand up. They all stood up and welcomed his coming. They all stood up and welcomed his coming. 他们全都站起来。他们全都站起来，欢迎他的到来。欢迎他的到来。他们全都站起来，欢迎 welcome 他的到来。They all stood up and welcomed his coming. 他们全都站起来，欢迎他的到来。他们全都站起来，欢迎他的到来。起 in cursive. 起 to get up, to start. 起来 to stand up. They all stood up and welcomed his coming. 他们全都站起来，欢迎他的到来。Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 起. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.